Alright, so the car's off the ground, and you'll see the marks are a little bit lower than before. So that's why it's important to do this at correct ride height, so these are not stressed out at all. And you'll see if you put a pry bar in here, I mean, there's almost no movement. On a bad one, if you grab this, you could just flop it around, both of these. So, secondly, let's see if I can get, yeah, I mean, look how stupid this design is. It's like they forgot to finish what they were going to do with the rest of it. Let's see if we can get a little over here. So here, pry bar on this side, and we'll see. Alright, there you go. So you can see some movement in there. And obviously we already saw how the rubber was torn on the bottom. These almost look like the new revised black arms that I have. But still, I mean, there's a lot of play in there. And I'm not going to leave these in and then do everything else kind of thing. I've already got them, so whatever. Alright, so I'm going to get to this. You had to remove the splash shield on the bottom. And then this one, I mean, it's literally just a nut and a bolt here. And then like a ball joint kind of thing. Right there, and that comes out. And then this one is just the nut and bolt up top. All these little components have to get disconnected. The stabilizer bar right here, that shouldn't be a problem. Strut. And this bottom ball joint that attaches to the steering knuckle. So we'll get that off and see what happens and go from there.